Hello and welcome to Michelle's video. So we're going to explain what square numbers and cube numbers are. There are lots of errors that occur here because people think that, I don't know, 4 squared means 4 times 2, which equals 8. Eh, eh. That is incorrect, and it's one of the most common errors, okay? So let's look at our square numbers and our cube numbers. 2 squared means 2 times twice, 2 times 2, and that equals 4. Therefore, the square root of 4 equals 2. How did we get the root? Means how did it start off? What numbers did it start off from? And it was 2. So 3 squared is therefore 3 times 3, not 2. It's just 2 of them, which equals 9. Therefore, the square root of 9 equals 3. It started off 3 times 3, which made 9. Okay? 4 squared is therefore 4 times, excellent, 4, which equals 16. Therefore, the square root of 16 equals 4. 5, oh, wrong colour. 5 squared is therefore 5 times 5, which equals 25. And therefore, the square root of 25 equals 5. 6 squared is therefore 6 times 6 equals 36, and therefore the square root of 36 equals 5. 6. Okay. 7 squared, therefore 7 times 7 equals 49, and therefore the square root of 49 equals 7. 8 squared is therefore 8 times 8 equals 64, and therefore 64, the square root of 64 is 8. We're going to go to the most common. 9 squared is therefore 9 times 9 equals 81. Therefore, the square root of 81 equals 9. 10 squared, therefore 10 times 10 equals 100. And therefore, the square root of 100 equals 10. 11 squared is therefore 11 times 11 equals 121, and therefore the square root of 121 equals 11. And last but not least, 12 squared is therefore 12 times 12 equals 144, and therefore the square root of 144 equals 12. What you should do is memorize, learn them off by heart. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, and 144. So in class, I could randomly say to you, what is 6 squared? And you will say 36, as quick as that. What is 11 squared? 121, Michelle. Okay? So try and memorize them. They are your most common. This one here is where most people make errors and say it's 6. So just be very, very careful. Your cubed numbers, now see how this has 2 of these. So let's just, I know I'm babbling, but that has 2 of them. Okay? Whereas cube numbers, let's have a look. We only go to 5 on cube numbers. So 2 cubed. So how many of them are we going to have? Yeah, 3. So therefore, 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. Therefore, the cubed root of 8 equals 2. Yeah, can you see the pattern now? So 3 is 3 times 3 times 3. Guess what? 3 of the number equals 27. So the cubed root of 27 equals 3. 4, guess what? 4 times 4 times 4 equals 64. The cube root of 64 equals 4. Now, most people make errors there. Be careful. Because this number, yeah, remember what we said? I'll rub this out. 8 squared equals 64. So, can you see the confusion? This is 8. 8 times 8. This is 3 times 4. Yeah. So just be a little bit careful with that one. And then 5 squared is 5 times 5 times 5, which equals 125. Therefore, the cubed root of 125 equals 5. Once again, try and memorize 8, 27, 64, 125. And that is your square numbers, square, and that is your cubed numbers. Let me put a 3 there, that would make more sense. Okay, so I'm gonna, what about if I said to you 2, 4? Oh no, Michelle's done square, she's done cube, but not power of 4. Well, how many 2s? How many 2s is it telling us? Yeah, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 equals 16. Okay, so this determines how many of them you are going to times together. That's all it is, okay? Don't want to go too high. Let's do 3, 4 is therefore 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. What I would suggest you do is, when I can lift this up, it's not heavy. There we go. Is keep writing them out. Exactly like that. Just keep writing them out. or write them out in your book at the front so you've got them, so you know them, and you can practice them. Yeah? Have a little practice at harder ones. Okay? Hope that helps. Take care. Bye.